I'm talking about things like pursuit, like relentless pursuit on offense and on defense. Obviously on defense, but I'm talking offensive pursuit. Ball Hearn, let's go, baby. Have some fun, all right? Yeah, let's get him, kid. Let's go, baby. Have a little fun, all right? Are you going to pursue to cut off the last man who can stop us from scoring?
Sorry, Mike.
Are you going to do it? Okay? Because that's what it's going to take. Enjoy it. Love it. Embrace it. That's the way it's got to be played.
You hear me? It's our time. Win on three. 1, 2, 3. Win! Oh, yeah!
You guys know a lot of people over there. So do I. You probably like a lot of people over there. So do I. Double, ball! That's us. Maybe could get man blitz. Good. First down, yep, good. Well, he said when they walked into the A-gaps, he knew he wasn't going to have any time. Yep, good.
There you go, Jeremiah.
I don't hate that decision at all.
Yeah.
I got no problem with that.
I would have thought he would cut it inside, though.
Coach Ray loves the decision as well.
Halftime, end of the first half, with your Knights 14, Lightridge 0.
We are right there. We've been here before. All right? That team is not going to feel sorry for you right now.
Guys, this is a staring contest that was going to last 48 minutes. That's what it's always been with these guys. That's what it is now. We talked about doing the things that take no talent, how we have to do those better. So far, we have not done that. Are you guys good?
Let's go.
I'm good. You guys sure you're good?
Let's go.
Let's line up. Fair catcher, let's go score. Here we go. Score on 3. 1, 2, 3, score.
And with that, your final score, your John Champ Knights 23, Lightridge High School 3.
I'm pretty confident that the things that we talked about that we needed to do in order to be where we wanted to be, I'm pretty sure that we're going to see that not a lot of them got done. All right, hey, let's bring it up. Let's bring it up. Come on, man. Don't change. Pride in who we are, don't change. 1, 2, 3, Bulls.